Bullish Cardano, ADA, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.58 and $2.99 by 2030. Market examiners accept ADA could reach $1.23 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.280986. Cardano, ADA, presentation. The digital currency market is duplicating continuously. Be that as it may, staying aware of this speedy industry is definitely not a simple errand. In this manner, numerous financial backers and dealers who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Stay close by for an exhaustive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's on the horizon for Cardano in the event that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. However, remember that on the off chance that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a determined undertaking that calls for both persistence and examination. How about we plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin appears to be legit for you? What is Cardano, ADA? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market, with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake system in which holders of the money are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top cryptographic money trades permit you to take part in marking with no or little cost, making it an engaging choice to create pay. Cardano's emphasis on pure explored information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other digital currencies. Most of the digital money market goes quick. Yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves designers' probability of distinguishing possible dangers. Major investigation. Cardano's particular offer is its verifiable strength. They aren't planning to catch the whole market for shrewd agreements and dApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a useful decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer design keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable regarding innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain, announcing of worth unmistakable from the register part of the blockchain, because of their obligation to straightforwardness, why the worth was moved. In addition, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 designers, reliably chipping away at the task. Because of these huge quantities of designers, the coin is probably going to surpass Ethereum in market strength and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano is presently worth $0.351233 United States dollars. ADA has moved 0.44% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $266,860,619. Cardano is presently positioned 7 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $12,583,939,936 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano, ADA, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Cardano, ADA, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. ADA. The ADA cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.526850. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.491726 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later, given expected joint efforts and progressions. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of $0.421480. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform $0.878083. Notwithstanding, We ought to stand by to check whether the ADA's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.702466 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.772713. Cardano, ADA, Value Forecast 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.23, and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.12 and a low of $1.05 in 2025. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Cardano effectively supports market opinion among digital money aficionados, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.58 with a base cost of $1.40 and a typical cost of $1.48. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.83 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.76 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a greatest value worth of $1.93. Cardano, ADA, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.18. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.28, neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $2.11. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.46 and a yearly cost close above $2.63 in 2029. Cardano, ADA, Value Forecast 2030 by 2030. Cardano will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $2.81 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.99, averaging out at $2.88. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that